Hi, I'm Sonali. I'm doing postgraduate diploma in advertising, design and digital communication from École Intuit Lab Delhi. So coming from a non-design background, choosing a course was a very important task for me. So when I came across École Intuit Lab on Instagram, I went through the courses and this postgraduate diploma felt like the right fit for me, given that it covered everything starting from the basics to what you will need to get industry ready by the end of 2 years. I really like that we started with the basics, like we started with hand drawing things and working with textures and understanding colors and color theory and everything and principles of design. And later on we moved on to how that is applied in graphic design and advertising industries. So like currently I'm in my semester 3. So here now we're getting more of a macro view of what happens in the real world in design agencies. So we basically covered everything from the design strategy and the actual designing part and how that is applied, implemented in design. So yes, so my experience here has been really good. It exceeded expectations and I've also seen a lot of growth in me, both in soft skills and also design skills.